if you want to search songs on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, what you can do is, for example, you can press and hold the home button or the navigation handlebar that you have at the bottom if you use gestures instead. Hold it for like 2 seconds in order to open Circle to search. And then over here at the bottom we have this search song or music recognition option. So if you tap over here, you can play, sing or hum a song in order to try to get the results on Google. So let me actually try to play a song. So let's use the button. And there we go. We have our results on Google. If you do not use Circle to search, then you can also add this feature to the quick settings to this panel over here. You can press this pen icon and then press edit here. And in available buttons, you should be able to find song search. So we can tap over here in order to add it to the list, press down twice in the top right corner, and then we can use this option as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!